Hello everyone. So this is the second time I guess I'm speaking on this esteemed platform now. Courtesy my very old friend Indrajit. People might not know, but we know each other from class 7, and that time थोड़ा सा different scene था. इंद्रजीत was not how he is today, and उसको मैं पढ़ाता था, but अभी वो पूरे इंडिया को पढ़ा रहा है. तो I'm very happy to see how he has progressed, and really happy that how iQuanta has grown so much in the last 4 years or so. So I've seen his struggle. I've seen how he persevered, and now he has built up this, I can say, business empire now. So that is one lesson that you all can take from him, that irrespective of what goes on in the external environment, everyone has to focus on on the task at hand. जो अगर एक घंटा, if you have to struggle every day, but make sure that you make it count. You will not see immediate results for sure. Like, this is, I would like to say, this is not just for MBA preparation as such. It's like the general philosophy. It's called Kaizen in Japan. I don't know if people have heard about this. कि you need to give your efforts on a daily basis, but and you'll not see results. You will get frustrated कि कुछ हो नहीं रहा है, तो you will feel like you should give up. But at the end, suddenly, like an eureka moment, एक दिन आपके mocks के scores आने लगेंगे, and you don't know what I did, what change I got, but it is due to the repeated efforts that you are putting in over the past maybe 4 or 5 months. That depends on person to person. So I have seen his struggle for 2 years, and this is one very big lesson. People have spoken about perseverance, and he is a living example of it. So please utilize his services. And I was a part of iQuanta's first batch of 2015. So he was just starting, and right now when I see he has expanded it to great extent, and abhi the courses as well as the pedagogy and everything has improved a lot. So the best part of this business model, as was already spoken, कि यहाँ पे कोई overheads नहीं है. Everything is in a online platform, and you can always there's a lot of flexibility in terms of your study. Like especially for me, when I was in Hyderabad working, people have said it, like अगर different shifts है तो you always have flexibility in terms of timings. You can come back, you can ask your doubts, and the group is always active and buzzing, irrespective of वो क्या हो रहा है. But it is like always you will have something to, so that you can see and you can study and you can get your doubts solved. So this is like a very unique place where you are in. So please utilize it. And one more thing which I liked, which was spoken earlier, ki don't think this is the only thing in life which is important. It is a important part of life, but ऐसा नहीं है कि MBA करने के बाद people sleep in a bed of roses. ऐसा नहीं है. Maybe some parts of it helps you give a kickstart in life, but that is not entirely life. So इसको एक pinch of salt से लेना, कि जितना हो सकता है अपना efforts on a daily basis, on a sustained levels करते रहना, and at the end of the day somehow you will get what you deserve. So that is what happened to me. Even 3 years I persevered. Lot of hurdles came, lots of ups and downs, a lot of bad luck, especially like he was talking about luck. So that is not in your hands. So what you can do is just focus on the efforts and trust this man, and just keep on putting the good work, and fate will take your case, and it will be a good journey. So thank you. Any other questions? We are always there offline to connect with you. Thanks.
Hello, sir. My name is Athav Dikshit, and I'm a student of this first batch, iQuanta, full course. 2 days back only, someone, he's also a student of iQuanta. I don't know, he might be present also. I won't take his name. He said कि यार फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में कैट या फिर IIM जितना परसेंटाइल लाना नहीं निकलता है, उसके लिए 2 साल की प्रिपरेशन चाहिए होती है. तो तू जो है 20 का या फिर 21 का ट्राई करियो। मैंने कहा अच्छा। और जिनका निकलता है वो जो है कुछ एनोमलस अलग ही एक्सेप्शंस होते हैं एंड ऑल दैट। और तो मिनिमम 2 इयर्स का चाहिए। और मेरे दोस्तों ने जैसे जिन्होंने निकाला वो या 2 साल पहले से कर रहे थे, तब जा 2016 में कर रहे थे, तब जाके 18 में परसेंटाइल आई। एंड ही सेड कि जस्ट बिकॉज आई एम फ्रॉम अ मीडियोकर कॉलेज एंड सिंस आई एम एन एवरेज स्टूडेंट एंड हेंस आई नीड मोर टाइम टू गेट दैट परसेंटाइल विच an exception student is able to secure probably in the first attempt. What's your take on that? Do you now you might say ki I know the answer, but in that sense I would think that probably we should not even prepare for it if we know that the first attempt में नहीं निकलेगा, दूसरा है तीसरा है, फिर तो ठीक है हल्के से बिल्कुल करते जाओ and all that. तो डू यू थिंक कि एक्चुअली थोड़ा सा जो जिनकी 99 आती है थोड़ा सा उनका IQ बेटर होता है इन कंपैरिजन टू दी अदर? Because we have all those quotes, that perseverance beats talent and hard work is the key to success and all that. ठीक है, वो अलग है. But what's the reality?
You like to go, Arjun? See, thing is, people are always it's always better like दिखाने के लिए कि you have scored 99.85, 99.7. They are really good scores. Hats off to the people who actually get them. But you also need to understand that your life is not dependent. It's not defined by a number. It is not. अब अगर आपको IIM से करना है and you want a certain kind of percentile because a lot of competition is there in India, ठीक है, that is fine. But what I would like to say, मैंने IIM से नहीं किया है and I'm still doing good in life. मतलब I don't have any regrets. So at this point of time you might feel कि वो 99.3 या 99.9 में बहुत difference है. People may say कि you are from a mediocre college so you'll not get, which might be true, but in the bigger picture of life you will not even think of this once, I assure you. So जितना आपके हाथ में control है, it's with regards to your preparations. तो उसमें you try to just optimize. People, there have been exceptions in every case. Like वो generalized statement है, but you cannot control that. So even if you are doing it from any other college, which is not your target, even I didn't get my like most desired college, but still after 2 years of MBA, I don't have any regrets. I'm fine with what I'm doing right now. So life को हमेशा bigger picture में लेके चले. I think that would be better. And if you want to add something,
यार बेसिकली जो टेस्ट है, कैट है, सारा एनमैट, SIBM जो भी सैट है, सब कुछ है यार, इसमें एक्चुअली एक टाइम लिमिटेशन होता है. टाइम में जैसे 1 मिनट का एक क्वेश्चन है 2 मिनट में सॉल्व होना चाहिए, ठीक है. सो दैट यू नीड टू डेवलप एन एक्सीलेंस. वो कैसे करोगे तुम डेवलप एक्सीलेंस? अनलेस एंड अनटिल यू डोंट प्रैक्टिस द थिंग्स यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू सॉल्व दैट क्वेश्चन. एंड इसके अंदर एक और चीज़ है, ट्रिक्स आती है, बहुत सारी ट्रिक्स आती है टू सॉल्व दैट क्वेश्चन इन अंडर 2 मिनट्स, अंडर 1 minute. So what I got an advantage of iQuanta was that tricks. Those tricks really helped me to solve the questions in minimum amount of time. So that really helped me. And other thing was that the practice, constant practice until and unless you keep doing it, you will be able to crack it. So that is the only differentiating factor between above 99 and below 99, that they continuously strive to improve themselves. They strive to solve that question within the given time limit. So you should have that, urge to solve that question. So that is the differentiating factor which I found.
I'll add one point here. So on Tuesday we all saw India had a bad day and we lost against New Zealand. Does that mean that we are a worse team than New Zealand? No, right? We'll win a World Cup someday. Same thing will happen with you. You might have a bad 20 minutes or bad 30 minutes, like we had a bad 45 minutes at the start of our innings. But that doesn't mean India is a bad team. Similarly, you should see in this way कि मतलब दिन की बात होती है, कुछ लोगों का CAT exam के time पे maybe for a period of 20 minutes they're not getting anything, and that basically drags your score down from 99 to maybe 96 or 97. So one day cannot define who you are or where you should be. And as you said कि क्या उनका IQ बहुत different ज़्यादा होता है and all, maybe or maybe not, but we cannot be completely sure on that fact. So what you can do is just give your best day in and day out and just trust fate, and you will get your best college. And just मतलब मान लो कि that has happened for your good. That's it.